Yeah, hey guys, today I thought of showing a really hilarious clip from Harry Hill's TV Burp Gold 1, and this scene is when it's when he says about those people doing the animal sounds, or there's an elephant, pig, and whatever. So I might just start this off. This is on Harry Hill's TV Burp Gold.
We revealed how they got the sound effects for Wild at Heart. Basically, they get Dev to do the elephant. See McDonald to do the pigs. Now, if they need a dolphin, it's straight to the Royal Today. They've got a sheep there too. And a dog. So it's here and here, there, everywhere.
Oh, there was also that too. Yeah. A werewolf. Wow.
Who's been watching Big Brother Celebrity Hijack?
Right, I think that's it, yeah. So, yeah, thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please make sure you consider like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time, and goodbye. Peace.